Ate Cora, ako din. Next na, next. Maganda naman ang nasa unahan. Kuya, ako nga din.
Kuya, hindi makataya tubig din eh. Okay.
Anong isla to?
Helicopter Island. Tinawag ko sa helicopter dahil po sa shaping island. Kaya to. Hindi ka kaya. Pero mababaw naman. Mababaw lang. Siya ako sa likod.
Saan ka? Baka kung saan ka pumupo. Hindi ko kaya yan.
At mga kabagis, That's the island of El Nido, Palawan. For our second day of island touring. We are here right now at the Minilok Island. This is the first destination of our island hopping. So that's the gang over there. So enjoying the coldness of the sea. Okay. There we go. Say hi, guys. That's our team. Say hi. That's my wife over there and enjoying her selfie alone. Say hi, guys. Hello. Say hi to the vlog. So I will just send the vlog later on. Say hi, guys. Wow. Enjoying.
Vlogger ka pala.
Say hi.
Hello!
We are here now at the Payong Beach. Payong. Bakit kaya tinawag na Payong yan? That's the Tita
Tanggalin mo na
Annie,
kasi yung
the
ganyan.
sexiest of all.
Maganda lang eh.
Here we go. So look at her. She really know how to swim now. Alone. I'm taking video. Yeah. You'll be in my vlog. That's Ate Grace. Look at them. So there's. Whoa. Like it? It's our lunch. Kabagis, this is a very beautiful island here in El Nido. Look at that. Yo! Sure! What a beautiful island. Oh my god. So amazing. Amazing. Last day, enjoy this. Ano masasabi nyo?
Ay, sarap dito sa El Nido!
Oh my God. Ano masasabi nyo sa El Nido?
Maganda. Masaya.
How about you, Chairman? Anong masasabi mo? Ganda. How about the CEO?
Wow, it's really great here in El Nido. It's God's creation for us people.
Yay!
That's right.
It's great!
Beautiful creation.